In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Snagit camera without your face. If you want to record your screen in Snagit while keeping your webcam hidden, the good news is that it's very simple to do. This is especially useful if you want a clean tutorial style recording or if you only want to capture your voice and screen without showing yourself on camera. Start by opening TechSmith Snagit on your computer. Once Snagit is open, click the capture button to begin setting up your recording. From there, make sure you select video mode, since this is the option used for screen recordings rather than image captures. Next, choose the area of the screen you want to record. You can capture a specific section or your full screen, depending on what you need for your video. It's a good idea to take a moment here and make sure everything you want to show is visible and ready before you begin. After you've selected your recording area, look at the recording toolbar. In that toolbar, locate the webcam option. This is the setting that controls whether your face appears in the recording through your camera feed. Before you start recording, toggle the webcam setting off. This is the key step because it disables the camera overlay and ensures that your face will not appear in the video. If your goal is to create a screen recording only, this is exactly what you want. If you still want to talk through the process, leave the microphone turned on. That way Snagit will record your voice while keeping the webcam disabled. This is a great setup for tutorials, walkthroughs, and training videos where narration is helpful, but a face cam isn't necessary. Once your settings look right, click record to begin your screen recording. Go through your process as usual, speaking if needed and demonstrating everything on screen. Try to move at a steady pace so your audience can easily follow along. When you're finished, click stop to end the recording. Snagit will then open the video in Snagit Editor, where you can preview everything and make sure it came out the way you expected. This is a helpful moment to confirm that the webcam stayed off and that your audio recorded clearly. Finally, save your recording or export it as an MP4 file so it's ready to share or upload wherever you need it. And that's how to use Snagit camera without